Reality check, man, from your device. You know, it's a unique one, aromatic, realistic TV. Anyway, today, my viewers and subscribers, I am here to talk about the NIDS and the Prime Minister of Jamaica, HOLNESS, is using the crisis of the BERYL hurricane disaster that the people of Jamaica face. And you and I know that as I speak, people still not get back current. People still not have running water. People still not have food to eat. People still not have roof over them head. People still not have a mattress to sleep on. And the Prime Minister of Jamaica get millions of dollars from overseas donor for the people of Jamaica. And now the Prime Minister is tying that money to the NIDS and telling the citizens of Jamaica that if them not take the NIDS,